everyone, it's Laura Milligan, and I got a package in the mail today. This is my Botanical Prints product medley. It is on our last chance list right now, and I just thought it'd be fun to do a quick video as I open this up so we could all see what's inside. So this is a class that I'm offering, and registration for this ends on Friday. And to take part in this class, all you have to do is go to my online store at lauramilligan.stampinup.net. You'll click on Shop Now and order this kit. And when your order comes through with this kit in it, I will know that you would like to receive the card kits to go with this product medley. And I will mail those to you. You don't need to worry about a host code. I can add that in later. But I just thought it'd be fun to open this up. This originally was $70, and it is on the last chance list for $42. So it is a great, great deal. And I love how it's packaged. I love that it comes in this nice box. So let's just open this up and see what's inside. Okay. A bolt of ribbon. This looks like old olive. It's like an old olive, almost has a chevron pattern to it. This is the stamp set. It is a 6-piece stamp set with 3 words and then 3 images. There's fruit. These are lemons, little berries, and then a floral image. That almost looks like a magnolia. Friend, thank you kindly, and I'm always here for you. That's a cling mount stamp set, and then there are coordinating dies. These are the botanical print dies. So let's open these up and take a look. Okay. So it looks like these coordinate with these 3 images, and then this looks sort of neat. It's like a corner motif, and then 2 little leaves. So those are the dies and the stamp set, but there's more. I love how this is packaged. It's very well done. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so of course, you know, one of my favorite parts about this are these cute little bee trinkets. And I think there's about 12 of them in here. They're copper. Look how cute. Up there. Hold them up to the camera so you can see. Look how cute those are. Those are really cute. Very detailed little bee trinkets. Okay, and then there's a packet of paper. Let me see if there's a flap. Yeah. We'll open this up. This looks like it's resealable, so if you use it and then you want to close it up again, you just pull that flap shut, which is really nice. And then there are some die cuts, which I'm sure the stamps from this stamp set coordinate with. And then these beautiful cardstock die cuts. Those are really pretty. There's 2 sheets of those. And there's 2 sheets of these too, I bet. Let's see. Yep, 2 sheets of those. And then these really pretty detailed laser cut shapes. These look like they will fit right on the front of a card perfectly. In fact, you know what? I have a card here, card base. It's dirty, but look how pretty that is on the front of a card. Really pretty. Okay, so you have those, and then you have a whole big stack of beautiful papers that coordinate with the stamps that come with the stamp set. Look at the lemons, how pretty. Love the colors. Aren't these pretty? They're soft and muted. Really, really pretty. And then here's another yellow. Really pretty. And then they're double-sided. And the other side is black and white. And I know We all love black and white for creating it. It's always a good choice for projects. Okay, so for my class, if you purchase this medley, and like I said, it's on the last chance list. I don't know how much inventory is left, but I would encourage you to go ahead and order sooner rather than later. I can give you the item number, I think. Yes, I'll pull out this little paper again here. The item number is 151301. I'll be sure to put that in the comments as well. It's $42, and then I will, if you purchase this, I will send you card kits to make 6 different cards, 2 each of 3 different designs, as well as a extra project, which is a tag / gift card holder, and it's really, really cute. And for the most part, you will be using parts and pieces of this medley to create the projects, but I will send you everything else that you need, and I'm really excited about this. I love this, and like I said, it is such a great deal. Let me pull some of this in again. You get so much stuff for $42. There's these, the dies, and of course the stamp set. So take a look, go to my online store, lauramilligan.stampinup.net. Class registration closes on Friday, May 1st. So if you're interested, make your purchase no later than Friday, May 1st. And as always, thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support of my business, and I hope you have time to be creative today.